someone spilled the coffee inside this vehicle and apparently decided it will stay here forever. I will not say immediately the method will work. This vehicle is now being prepared for collector status, and coffee stains have to go. There's coffee stains and detail the interior, but let's give it a try. Collector vehicle doesn't need to look brand new, but its condition, originality matters. The problem, after the 10 years, coffee might have worked deep into the fabric. Here we go, initial inspection was done. Now we're going to dry vacuum whatever is sitting on top of the fabric. Just the basic first step. Clean up, go back and forth and collect all that loose debris. As you can see, those coffee stains are not going just from scratching them in vacuum. We are going to use the Bissell Little Green Pro Heater. This one I just got a couple days ago, and yeah, we're going to use it for the first time. Oxy Pro came with a kit. Should work. Spot and stain. We'll give it a try. Alright, here's a formula and water mixed together, easy to measure. Fill it up and turn it on. We're going to soak the seed, spray it and hydrate those dried up coffee and cream, probably stains. Let them get moist, soak, and it will help it to lose. As you can see, peroxide oxy formula is already started to work. See that white foam already showed up. It should do the job. Let's go and a bit agitate and hydrate that dried up coffee cream stains. This video is pretty much self-explanatory. You can see everything pretty straightforward. I'm going to let the solution to work for a few minutes. Now we're going to turn it on again, and we're going to collect everything what's in a seed, and we're sucking in all moisture, all that liquid. And as you can see, dirty liquid is going in one tank. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I paid my own money as usual. Every tool or product I'm using in my videos, you can find the link down below. This is the first go, and it looks pretty promising. Not quite done yet. Alright, much better, but we're not done yet. You still have those coffee stains. Where's the stitching inside those grooves? Not good. We're going to clean them up as well. We'll try to make it clean as factory brand new, or reduce the visibility of those stains. It's very hard to remove. More time pass by. Here we go. I'm going to use the steamer. I got it at the same time with my new toy, that heat cleaner. Let's try this nozzle. Air purged, and we'll give it heat and steam to those stains. It will eventually help to break that hydrated old coffee loose, and it should look much better. Here we go. Self-explanatory. This is my first time going through the area, and as you can see, pretty interesting. This is my actually first time ever doing this vehicle interior detailing for the collector's status. It needs to be clean. It needs to be looking like original condition. No any coffee stains and tears allowed. As you can see, we have a couple dots at the front of the cushioning. Those ones have to go. We might need to do a couple passes. This is such a beautiful tool. I love it. Alright, let's vacuum whatever moisture we added with the steam. If this video is helpful, informational, educational, or might be just interesting to watch, put a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Appreciated that. As you can see, it's getting much cleaner, and I like this tool. Beautiful. I like it. Guys, if you have any comments, questions, critiques, suggestions, recommendations, concerns, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Here we go. Alright, a little bit more here on a cushion. As you can see, it actually is working pretty good, and when you press the button, it adds the liquid, see, to the nozzle, and you actually follow it up and clean it. See, you spray and you brush, and at the same time vacuum pulls all that mixture in. Here we go. Also, I have some coffee stains and spills down on the carpet. I will do them in the same way. This fabric is much heavier. I can go hotter. On a seat, I use the medium steam down at the carpet. I can go a little bit heavier, and doesn't look too bad. Some of those white discoloration spots, I couldn't clean it the way it is, and after steaming and vacuuming, it looks pretty good. A little bit over there, not too bad. Yeah, more times you go, probably will look better, but I'm pretty happy already. Remember those little dots, still a little bit at the front. To me, it's a day and night difference. Remember that stitching right at the back was filled with a dried up coffee cream. Check it out how it was. Remember that spot. Wasn't sure will it go or not, but we did a good job. There we go. Bottom carpet, a little bit still left at the corner. Probably a couple more passes will take care of it, but overall seat looks clean, no coffee stains, pretty good, and we're one step closer to get that collector's status for the vehicle. This is a final look. Beautiful, guys. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. In conclusion, one more original part of the vehicle has been preserved.